Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Apple TV 4K blinking white light, power, HDMI and reset troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Force restart using the remote. First, press and hold the back/menu and TV/control center buttons together. Now keep holding these buttons for about 5 seconds. Now release when the Apple TV status light flashes rapidly. Fix 2. Check the HDMI cable. Disconnect the HDMI cable from the TV and Apple TV. Now reconnect it securely on both ends. Then try a different HDMI port on your TV and test with another HDMI cable if available. Fix 3. Check the power connection. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected and plug the Apple TV directly into a wall outlet. Avoid power strips or extension cords if possible. Fix 4. Reset Apple TV. If the Apple TV eventually loads, open settings, then go to System. From there, go to Reset. Now choose Reset or Reset and Update. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.